What's going on, people? Today, after work, I wanted to get a few things done to the car. I want to test fit the seat, see what kind of helmet space I have when I'm in there, where I think the seat should be, see how the adjustment on the steering wheel is, because I'm going to have to do some mounting for that. And also, I want to swap over the hood to the unmolested hood that I got, and a few other random bits. But I guess I'm just using this as an excuse to get the seat put in and make race car noises and think that I'm cool, even though the car doesn't run. But hey, I've always wanted a cage. Let me have my fun. I got the seat in mocked up in place where I think it needs to be. I gotta hop in, see what kind of space I got with the helmet on, and then put the steering wheel on, see my reach on the pedals, stuff like that. But it's all trial and error. The car was set up for someone else that's a different height and all that stuff, so just got to see if this will work for me or if I have to phone a friend and have some modifications made. Hopefully that's not the case. Alright, so I just test fit the custom dash. I don't hate it. It has to go up more. It's just kind of sitting, obviously. But if I made brackets, it would hold it up more, and it'd be more flush with the windshield line. I don't know, because I have to have a switch panel, so I would do something right here. I wouldn't have that many gauges, obviously. I would do something else up there. Maybe I'd have switches up there too, but I definitely have to have switches right here, and then I have to figure out my heating situation. I was thinking of going with one of those universal heater kits that they have on Jags and Summit and stuff like that. Super easy to wire up. You just put it in line with where your factory heater core is anyways. And it's a 3-position switch for fan. I might do that just to get rid of the factory setup, or I might just wire in the factory setup. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But I don't hate this. Once it's actually mounted up with the gauges in place. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But yeah. Okay, now that's it. I got the rear bumper on. Just test fit this. Done for the night. I'm freezing. It's like 20 degrees. I don't have heat in here, so that's awesome. But yeah, I will have more updates over the weekend. I don't think I'm going to do anything else for the rest of the week. But yeah, check back then and see if I'm doing anything worth watching, I guess. Bye. Alright, so the video after the video. I figured I would just show me trying to get into the car and then try to get out. Getting in super easy. Very easy. And while I was here, I wanted to test fit the wheel. This is the Nardi that I got along with the car. I just wanted to try the difference between that and my deep dish that's currently in the Forester right now. Probably, yeah, I got more knee room with the deep dish. So I'll probably do the deep dish when I get everything swapped over. So that settles that. So me getting out of here is a little bit more interesting. I haven't quite figured it out yet. Because like my leg, literally, it just doesn't work that way. So I kind of just do this. It's not the best, most efficient way out, but it works for right now. When I get the power windows all set up, I'm going to not do each switch at the door. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire everything and have the main driver switch that controls all the windows. I'm going to have that around here somewhere, maybe right here, center console area. Haven't quite decided that yet, but I think it'd be best if I have it over there, and then I can control all of them from the central unit. Because for door cards, I might put the upper part back on just so it's not, you know, bare metal, because I could cut my hand on that or something. Wouldn't really want to do that. But I could put the door card from like here up back on, and that would also help me getting in and out, because then I could put my hand on this and prop myself up and off from it. I don't know. I'm still playing around with ideas. But that's it for now. I just want to do a quick video on that. And I'll do a few more things later this week. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, again, thanks for watching the video after the video after the video.